Hi mga ka-Frey. Today, we're going to dine here at Amare La Cocina and it's our first time here. Marami ng branches to sa Manila pero we've decided to try it here in Baguio City. Samahan nyo kami because masarap. Actually, nakapag-order na kami in there's something that's distinct about the taste talaga. So first, we ordered for the antipasti, cheddar stick. And this one is very good, including the dip. Pero masarap din siya i-dip sa kanilang crazy honey. Ayan, medyo ano siya, spicy. And then, this one is lamb salpitaw. Hindi ko pa nagka-try, so mamaya natin husgahan. Another antipasti pala is focaccia bread. And what's this?
Quattro formaggi
Spinach dip. What again? Ano to?
Quattro formaggi spinach.
Ayun. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I trust you. So, quattro formaggi spinach dip. And then there's focaccia bread. May kasama siyang focaccia. 4 sticks yata, no? 3.
But it's 3 only.
3 lang. Okay. And then we have, dumating na yung aming Amare fried chicken. So, one of the specials yan. And then, of course, hindi mawawala every time na nasa Italian tayo ang ating quattro formaggi pizza. And one of the specials as well. So, how was the pizza?
So good.
Really? Even without honey kasi ang hilig nito sa may honey.
Oh, good.
So good. So, kung huhusgahan mo sa number 1 na, hindi na number 1 si
Amici, no?
Amici? Really? I can't wait. How about this one? Same? Is it good? Number 1 mo na Amare? Okay, so let's try yung lamb salpitaw. Sobrang mga good to eh. Parang na-intriga ako eh. Sige, let's try muna this one.
Ay! Kasi mga daw.
Okay, let's try. Grabe naman. Grabe.
Inside the sweet sauce.
Ang sarap. Promise, ang sarap. Lasang-lasa yung garlic ng salpitaw. Tapos napaka-tender ng meat. Iba siya kaysa sa beef, diba? Pero, mas gusto ko to. Kaysa sa beef salpitaw. Must try ito. Lagyan natin ng lemon. Lagyan natin ng lemon. Let's see kung it's gonna make a difference.
Ako sabi naman bang share this one.
Grabe? Sobrang sarap. Ito muna. Try ko lang to. 1-1.
It's hard to get from sir.
Pakita mo yung mozzarella.
It's hard to get.
That's it. Sarap.
I'm gonna get cheese.
Okay.
Try it without honey.
So, pizza naman daw. Grabe. So, without honey muna. Kagating ko na. Ang sarap. Number 1. Number 1. Totoo nga ang cheese mix. The best yung pizza dito sa Amare. Ano siya yung taste niya? Yung cheese niya hindi umay eh. There's something about the cheese, hindi umay. Pati yung spinach. So ikaw hindi ka kumakain ng spinach. Mahirapan kang nanggaling. Pero, yeah, try mo. And then last, chicken. Para makakain ka. Try natin. So, chicken. Let's try the chicken.
Is that wings?
No, because, Thai. Oh, kumakain ka ng Thai? Hindi ako kumakain talaga ng Thai, pero kakain ako ngayon. Kasi everything tastes good naman. So, let's see. Ay, may pala, may gravy. Wait lang. Sorry, hindi ka tuloy makakain. Pakita mo yung food, Hindi tuloy sa makakain, kawawa. Chicken muna.
You have to ask for extra gravy,
Yum. Wala pa nga, no? Moist on the inside. Moist siya inside. Masarap siya, pero hindi siya yung number 1 fried chicken. Racks pa din. Ayan, binigyan ko kayo ng tip. Number 1 fried chicken is the southern fried chicken of Racks. Pero masarap siya. Hindi nga lang siya number 1. Ayun, so that's it. Sila naman siguro ang magre-review. Bigay ko na po sa'yo, Loves. Siya naman magka-try ng fried chicken. Tignan natin.
No, ano to? This is lamb.
Yung lamb muna. Okay, so let's see kung pareho tayo ng taste.
So naman. Sarap.
You like it or you love it?
I love it. Sobrang lambot.
O, diba?
Sobrang lambot.
Panalo talaga to eh. Lamb salpikaw. And by the way, yung lamb salpikaw nila is very affordable. Lamb na yun. Guess how much? Walaan mo lang. Itong meal ng lamb salpikaw.
500?
No. Less than 400. Oo. Around 300 something eh. So, imagine. Oo. May salad ka pa. So, ano na rin, pasok na rin sa budget. Chicken. Tingnan natin kung tama yung ano ko.
Ito mo ng bread. Oily.
So, anong husga? Oily? O yun lang. We don't recommend the chicken, the fried chicken. Ikaw din? It's oily?
Parang pizza.
Okay, try mo daw yung pizza. Oo, tanggalin mo na lang. Kasi hindi siya kumakain ng spinach. So, too bad. Sorry, hindi ko nga naalala na ano eh.
Take it, it's loose. Wait lang.
So, ano masasabi mo sa food?
Like this. Like this.
Ayan. Pizza naman. Hindi talaga siya mahilig dyan eh. Kasi, may spinach na taste eh. Sorry na.
Okay.
Puro pa naman ganun yung order ko. Anyway,
Ano?
hindi lagyan mo ng crazy honey.
If it's just 4 kamaje, parang kulang sa lasa ko. Or baka hinahanap ko yung blue cheese kasi.
Eh, hindi dito yun.
Pero,
So, magkakaiba talaga kami ng taste. Pero ayan na nga. So, sa mga taong hindi mahilig sa gulay, not recommended, syempre yun.
pero okay na. I like this. Beto kung ano lang.
Okay. So,
Ay, nakapili.
anyway, let's wrap it up. Ang patanggal naman. Meron silang Red Years inspired. And what we're getting is, pistachio, chocolate. No, I don't want it. Pistachio lang tayo. I think you're gonna like it. Or do you want strawberry? Or, ha? Here's the
Bali kompleto nga, yun lang.
Meron ice cream. Meron din silang and ang dami rin pala. Meron silang fancy bar. Hoy, Chloe, why are you there? Ayan, so ganyan yung ambience na La Cocina dito sa Baguio. Ganda sana doon, outside seating. Look. Alam ko na, orderin nating ice cream, patanggal ng umay.
What?
Pistachio chocolate. Para siyang yung, limited edition yun eh. Alam mo yung parang pistachio na, yung chocolate na may pistachio na kinakain natin, yung Dubai.
Ah,
Oh, get mo na. O sige na, order ka na.
saan? Sa waiter?
Ah, syempre. Ayan eh. Hindi pwede na dito.
Ayun, scoops.
Tapos na kaming kumain. We're just waiting for our ice cream. 2 scoops lang. Ang tanggal lang ng umay. So, overall, we would rate this as, anong rating mo? Ikaw muna. Ikaw muna, nasa yung nakatapat. Nagpifish pa yun. Yeah, personally, I rate it as 4 over 5. Bakit hindi perfect? Kasi medyo yung chicken, nothing special considering na nakalagay doon is special nila. So, disappointing yung chicken kasi very oily. Pero kanina naman nung tinikman ko, moist naman yung inside. It's just that, sabi nga nila, oily and at the same time, kulang yung lasa. Pati the gravy natin special. Hindi talaga, actually, hindi namin naubos. Pakita mo.
Yan o.
Tinitake pa kami. And then, yung ito, yung may dip na to, pagka tumagal, nakakaumay na siya. Maybe because ang in-order ko is the same, diba? With the pizza, so nagkamali ako. And the bread is pag tumagal, pag lumamig na, kasi it's gonna be served hot. So pag tumagal, medyo matigas na. Ay, hindi mo na makakain. What I love is yung, number 1 ko is ito, itong lamb salpicao. And also the cheddar cheese sticks and syempre yung pizza. Kasi talagang masarap yung pizza. Lalo na na-level up siya na crazy honey at nitong chili olive oil. Ayun. So, 4 over 5. Mauulit kami dito. Ito try namin yung ibang flavors naman at saka ibang dishes nila. How about you?
I only like the cheese. This and this.
Not the cheese?
And this one.
I'm
the chicken.
So, not the chicken.
Over 5. 4.
O, ikaw naman, anong ma-rate mo?
Ako, I'll rate this, 3 siguro. Only because ito lang yung nagustuhan ko. It's because ito kasi may green. Ayoko nun, hindi ako kumakain.
Mali nga yung order ko sa'yo.
So that's the only reason hindi ko ito kinaman. It's because of the green. Ito talaga ang nagpabagsak sa akin. It's because it's walang lasa. Number 1 pa rin. If you have tried yung
Southern fried chicken ng Rax.
mas okay yun. Yun, the best
Uy,
pa yun.
better. Anong mas okay?
Mas okay yun dito.
Yung kahit na saang branch mo
Pareho
orderin,
lang.
pareho ng quality at ng taste talaga.
So, 3 out of 5 for me. But we'll be back. We'll try again. Yung iba naman.
Okay, so waiting for the ice cream na lang. So, ayan na, dumating na yung pistachio. Chocolate ice cream namin. This is 2 scoops. 2 scoops to? Dami ah. Bakit 2 scoops lang ang order natin? Ha? Sure ka?
Oo.
O anyway.
Kasi pint na yung next niyan.
Okay. So, husgahan na natin.
Actually, don't call it ice cream pala, gelato pala to. Gelato.
Dubai? Doesn't taste like Dubai chocolate? The pistachio Dubai chocolate?
Hindi ganun, pero effect siya. Limited edition nila to So, effect siya kasi may pistachio bits in chocolate. So, pero hindi siya kalasa ng Dubai. Pero ano lang, malapit lang kalasa ng pistachio.
We're kasi expecting na palasa na yung Dubai chocolate na pistachio.
Pero pwede. Masarap. Hindi masyado.
Ayun, sige, pati kami.
You try it.
I don't think
Wala ka ng palasa? It's so chocolatey.
Ano?
Mahirap i-figure yung lasa. Pag isang
Hindi, damihan mo. Ako nakailang spoon ako ah.
kaya na I don't know why, but kailangan madaming spoon before you can actually figure out yung lasa.
Baka hindi nyo pa nahuhuli yung pistachios. Kasi bits yun eh.
Paano may pistachio syrup kasi? O yun yung naka-ano sa akin. Yun yung naka-influence.
Thank you. Ayun yung take out to
Ito lang. Nalasama na yung bits. But the bits is just really the bits lang. But it's good. Yung hindi nag-overpower yung chocolate na last. Subtle lang yung chocolate. I love it. It's good.
Good.
Recommended.
O ayan, na-redeem naman ni Amare.
Ice cream.
Oo. Okay. So, that's it for our food review. Or for another food review. O, ikaw na mag-wrap up.
So wrapping up. See you on our next food adventure. Bye!
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching!